Did you know a weak, wrinkled snake plant can often recover with proper care? Today I'll show you a simple method using common household ingredients to help your snake plant develop healthier roots, stronger leaves, and encourage new shoots. Let's begin. This snake plant was bought at a discount because it looked unhealthy. Its leaves were dull, wrinkled, and damaged. But don't throw away a plant like this. It can often be revived with the right care. First, gently remove the plant from its pot and shake away the old soil. Carefully inspect the roots and trim away any rotten, dead, or damaged roots using scissors. Remove yellow, dried, or badly damaged leaves, but keep the healthy green ones so the plant can continue making energy through photosynthesis. Rinse the roots with clean water to remove old soil and debris. Then leave the plant in a shaded, well-ventilated place for a few hours so any cut surfaces can dry. Now prepare a simple cleaning solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda into 1 liter of room temperature water and stir until dissolved. Soak only the roots for about 15 minutes, then use the same solution with a soft cloth to gently wipe both sides of the leaves. This helps remove dirt and may reduce the buildup of some fungi and bacteria. Now prepare the pot. Fill it with clean, loose garden soil. Break up any large clumps and remove stones or weeds so the roots can spread more easily. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Place the snake plant in the pot, fill the soil around the roots, gently press the soil to hold the plant upright, and water lightly. Keep the plant in bright, indirect light for the next 3 days while it settles into its new home. After that, prepare a gentle rice and oat tonic. Add 3 tablespoons of rice and 1 tablespoon of oats to 500 milliliters of clean water, and let them soak for 2 to 3 hours. Strain the liquid, then add another 500 milliliters of clean water and stir well. Spray the leaves lightly or water the soil with this diluted solution once or twice a week. With consistent care, proper watering, and bright indirect light, your snake plant can gradually grow stronger, produce healthier leaves, and reward you with beautiful new shoots over the coming weeks. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow plant lovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.